Why does your scanner show the P0830 engine code? What does it mean? P0830 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch pedal switch A circuit. The P0830 engine code for indicate your vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, is not receiving the correct voltage signal from the sensor that detects when you press or release the clutch pedal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty clutch pedal position sensor, misadjusted sensor or clutch, corroded or damaged electrical connectors, shorts or opens in the wiring, blown fuse or power supply issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jeep, Hyundai, Toyota, Honda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.